Na ngayon, Gio, what is next for Gio Santissima? Alam natin, napakarami ng naging experience mo na, ang dami mo ng mga opportunities na nakuha in the past. Pero ngayon, nandito ka sa harapan ng mga masbateño. Ano ang masasabi ni Gio Santissima?
Una sa lahat, thank you so much sa suporta ng mga masbateño, especially sa kay Ratagog sa pag-promote bilang isang promoter. Nagpapasalamat po kami, buong team. Maraming salamat. At sa mga susunod kong laban, bahala na po ang promoter dyan. Sila po ang bahala.
Alright, alam natin, syempre si Gio talaga pinapabayan niya lang sa kanyang promoter. Of course, ang Zip nandito, ang Sandman headed by Sir JC Manakil, and syempre nandito si Sir Sean Gibbons din. Pero kung tatanungin ka namin, ano ang gusto mong susunod na laban? Meron ka bang preferred fight?
Depende po kung may mga big opportunity like world title, laban tayo kasi yan ang hinahanap ng isang boksero na makalaban ng world championship.
At syempre, pangarap mo makalaban ng world championship. At talagang nandito si Gov, Antonio ko. Alright, siguro makikita natin world title ni Gio Santissima dito sa Masbate. At syempre, tatanungin na natin si Gov Antonio ko. Gov, napakaganda po ng performance ni Gio. Are you looking forward to have a world title here for Gio Santissima? Nagaganapin muli dito po sa Masbate.
As far as world title is concerned, even anywhere, even in Masbate or in Las Vegas. So, we're appealing to Sean Gibbons, an international matchmaker, and to the third learner, if possible, at the earliest possible time, we will have a fight in Las Vegas. O mas pati nyo, pupunta tayo sa Las Vegas. Kaya natin ito. Oh, I'd like to share something so that there will be a continuance of this sponsorship. The Bicol Party List under Representative Saldico magbibigay sa iyo ng mensahe kung paano natin ma-continue ito. From dito sa Masbate, Bicol, Obedient Country, and go to an ultimate destination is Las Vegas. Representative Saldico.
Well, una-una, congratulations po sa inyo lahat, mga Masbateño. Congratulations kay Pinsan, kay Governor Ko, for having this event, successful event, internationally and nationally, to Sean, everything. Whatever the Governor wants for Masbate and for the Bicolanos, me as chairman of the corporation, we will support the fight for boxing up to Las Vegas, kung saan gusto ni Gob. We'll support all the needed funds for its success.
Sean Gibbons, I have a question, and this is for the people of Masbate. Considering that our homegrown, newly crowned champion, Santissima, can we have a fight in Las Vegas?
You know, I'm a big supporter here of Governor Cole. I want to thank him for everything he's starting to do for boxing. Gio's been in Vegas before. He fought for a world title there. I believe tonight he earned another trip to Las Vegas. And with your sponsorship, next up, Viva Las Vegas! Woo!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, give it up for Gio Santissima, Governor Antonio Go, Congressman Zaldico, and syempre nandito din po MP Promotions President Sean Gibbons, nandito din po ang Zip. Alright, nandito din po ang Sandman. Lahat po yan ay nagtutulungan para po sa career ni Gio Santissima. Not only Gio, but all of the other fighters, mga kaibigan, syempre. And of course, hindi pa po sa after this, we still 4 professional bouts or 5, mga kaibigan. So hindi pa po tayo tapyan. So we just did it first up Sir, Gob, pwede daw po bang pagbigyan yung ibang media na nandito sa likod po natin? Pwede po ba tayo, yung ibang media nandito eh. So, alright.